everyone, welcome to the channel Enough Secrets. So thank you so much for all those viewers who have been watching my channels, who have been following me and who have hit a subscribe button. Thank you. And for the new ones who have just started watching my channels, you're welcome to my channel. And for those people who are watching my channels but at the same time they're not subscribing, if you find my tarot guidance helpful, then please do like and subscribe. Okay, so today's reading we are going to do for Capricorn. Okay, so basically whenever I do a reading, I say a little bit about the zodiac sign, right? So this reading is for Capricorn for the month of September, right? So Capricorn are those people, zodiac sign falls under those date of birth that is from December 22nd to January 19, okay? And they are ruled by Saturn. So basically, the personality of Capricorn is like they're very hardworking, focused, ambitious, okay, and very dedicated people. They value time. They are very good protector. They take good care of their friends and families, okay. And the traits about Capricorn is like they're sometimes too materialistic. They go by the worldly, materialistic a lot, and they're afraid of failures. So sometimes we say like failure is always a stepping stone for your success, right? But in the matter of Capricorn, failure means sometimes it's also an end of life for them. So but they have to accept their failure slowly, right? So this is a little bit of traits that Capricorn cannot take their failures. So anyway, so today's reading is for the month of September. So I hope this tarot is going to guide us. So let's hope that month of September is going to be a good month for Capricorn. Something better is going to come out, something good. So let's see. All those people who falls on the sign of zodiac sign, they can just get connected to gods or goddesses, or those people or whoever are watching my channel who wants to see for their friends and families, they can also watch this channel and you can share with your families whoever falls under this zodiac sign. Okay, so let's ask the angels to guide us and give us a reading for the month of September. Just give me the guidance. Okay, let's see the cards. Okay, so for Capricorn, like month of September is going to be a good starting. Okay, so you have a lot of plans and lot of desires into your heart that you are going to bring forward. Okay, it's not going to be just in your heart, but you're going to let it out. So you're going to share and you want to enjoy all those lot of expectations, a lot of emotions. All those are going to flow out from your cups. Okay, that is Seven of Cups. So you're waiting for something good to come in your life. Yes, a finance growth. See, this is a very beautiful card, right? A good growth of finance that every one of us we do need. So Capricorn, for you, like month of September is going to be a good growth of finance. Finance is really going to be good for you people. See, I can see in fact a two finance card, that is Ace of Pentacles. So something new business that you have started or you are going to start is going to give you a very good amount of money flow. Okay, so there are Five of Swords, so definitely you have to very stand really strong to like make your finance grow So maybe like there were certain people, certain sector of people who have started a business, but they were very lazy. They were not focusing on it till the month of July and August. So this is a month that you have a really really good energies around. So you have to just tighten up your belt and come into a character of Four of Swords and be very strict with your workers, be very strict with your staffs, and then make them do the work properly. And you also attend the office or business, whatever you have given a hand. Don't just blindly leave on those people, like who are your partners. So you also have to be present there. So try to take a good look into your work. Okay, so definitely, like as I told you, like there is a card of King of Cups for Capricorn. So King of Cups are basically a very very mature person, who is ready to take up all the workload, who are ready to start something. And these also comes for some sectors of people who wants to get emotionally attached to someone, or they are still searching a love of their life. Okay, so for those people, you are going to very soon meet someone in your life, right? So you have come into a very very strong character. Yes, definitely for those people who wants to who are thinking of expanding their family, they are very soon going to get a good news about expansion of their family. Maybe there will be a new member added in your families. So there are chances of having a very good news this month. Okay, and yes, as I told you, like don't fully rely on your partners. Whoever has got a partnership, or whoever is working in some sector of job where you are working very hard but you are not being appreciated, so there is a backstabbing card. So just be very very careful of not believing everyone in each and everything. Okay, so try to just work out things and think about it and be present. Whatever decision is being taken, just be present there. So it should not, later on you should not get a shock of getting a backstabbing. Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of entertainment. I mean, there are chances that some part of Capricorns are going to go have a very good gathering. You might go and attend some kind of functions, like it can be a baby shower, or like it can be a marriage, not exactly a marriage, but I can say some kind of parties or some kind of family events which you are going to enjoy, and you are really going to enjoy in that party. So it's going to be some kind of family gatherings. Okay, so yes, as I told you, there's a good growth of finance. Okay, so you have to, your finance is growing. Okay, so you just have to be careful of not letting other people leak out your money. So you have to be very very careful in that. Yeah, definitely there is this moon card is also there. So just be a little bit careful about all the things around you. Be a little bit alert. Okay, that is what I would like to say. Overall the card has come out very well, but I want to clear this backstabbing card. Why is there a backstabbing when I can see a beautiful family, I can see beautiful money growth, but why is this backstabbing card here? So let me just clarify and tell you. Okay, so see, this is a general reading. Okay, for some people it might resonate, for some people it might not resonate. So just take the one that resonates with you, and the one which does not resonate you, please leave behind. Okay, yeah, so there is a backstabbing with the finance part is there. So whatever, I mean, whatever business you're doing, or wherever you're working, just be very careful not to leave the entire finance part to other people. Okay, so because there is a backstabbing and there's a lot of finance cuts, so there can be a chances of misusing of fund in your business sector. Okay, so there might be some people who are your partners, who are even your relatives, who are working with you in some sort of business. So there are chances that they are not giving you the correct information about the finance. So you have to be very careful and just be alert to take all the like accounts. Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful in this. King of Swords, yes, I told you, like you have to come to the character of King of Swords so that you deal with them very very strictly. Please don't, even after you come to know about the traits, and like if they have um, backstabbed you, or they have not been truthful to you, so just be very strict to throw them off, to cut them and throw them off. So that will help you to get a very good success. Fine, so Capricorn, this was a reading for you. It's a good starting with a lot of balanced things in your life. Finance growth is there. You are coming into a, you have tightened up your belt and you have come into a like character of Five of Swords, a warrior who is going to really take care of the work. And also, yes, definitely I can see a good growth of finance for those sector of people who have thought something to start, and you are ready to start from the month of September, please go forward and do it, because there's a good growth of money. And yes, you are coming into a character of a King of Cups, so definitely for few sectors of people who have not been into relationship with anyone, maybe there are going to be a good chances of you getting a proposal also, right? So, and for those people who expecting from some kind of good news in the family, or additional family or childbirth, that is going to happen in the month of October. Yes, as I told you, like backstabbing card is there in the job field or in the business field, so just be very very careful with the accounts. There is a party time in the family where you are going to have a good time with your friends and family together. Okay, so yes, finance growth. And overall, like for Capricorn, the finance has to be taken care very very clearly. Okay, very balancedly. See that you don't give up the total control of finance to someone else. So you be a part of it, and you also take each and every accounts very minutely. Okay, so these are the suggestions for Capricorn. Overall, your card is really really good, Capricorn. I'm very happy because everything looks good apart from the backstabbing card. So definitely tarot is guiding you to take a little bit of care, okay, before you jump into anything new. So, as I keep telling in all my tarot reading cards, that I always follow guidance of the angels, because they really, really guide me. Okay, so let's do the angel guidance reading for Capricorn. Okay, so commitment. See, angel wisdom reminds you that when you aim for a vision without doubts or deviation, it must succeed. Your guidance is to preserve towards your vision. Let every thought, word, and action be directed towards your desired outcome. Nothing is more powerful than focused energy, and the angels will see the pure light of your commitment. Whether it is to a relationship, a place of work, a journey, or anything else in your life. So remember to ask them for help, and know when you dedicate your intentions to the highest good, they will support you. So definitely, see, you have to be committed to your job or whatever business. That's what I kept telling you. Like, this month is the month that you have to really really take charge of everything, because there's a good growth of finance, and there are chances, as I am keeping on telling you, that there are chances of having a little bit of backstab card. So be committed to your work, whatever it is. Don't leave entire thing to anyone else. Okay, so Capricorn, this was the angel guidance. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope this tarot reading is going to guide you. If you like my channels, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel, and do share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.